Hi guys, this is Daniel Drummond, uh, videotaping from New Albany, Indiana, which is right across the river from Louisville, Kentucky. And what I'm going to be doing today to help everyone out is planning a trip to Mohawk Valley mining is taking some matrix with Herkimers in it and showing you the two different ways to deal with getting the Herkimers out of the matrix stone. So I'm going to put it on stop for a minute and then videotape the table where I'll be doing all the work, and we'll go from there. There are two basic ways to get Herkimer Diamonds out of matrix. One is with a chisel and pointed devices, pikes that can extract the Herkimers out of the stone. A little bit more labor intensive. The second way is by using muriatic acid, putting the matrix in the muriatic acid and letting the muriatic acid dissolve the dolomite, and then what's left in the end will be the Herkimer Diamonds with a little bit of dolomite left. So I'm going to stop again and videotape everything I have on my table. In the white bucket is just straight water. You can see the matrix that I'm going to put in the muriatic acid, and I'll show you how that all works. But I'm also going to be working on these stone matrix and show you how to extract them from the stone using an ice pick, an awl, and a pointed stone device with a hammer to extract the Herkimers from the matrix. And you can see in the water container in the muriatic acid, in the way you do the muriatic acid, you do 1/3 water and 2/3 muriatic acid. So I'm going to stop the video again and put the muriatic acid in the gray tub that you see in front of the Mohawk mining box, and then we'll go from there. One other thing I need to tell you is that you need a good pair of rubber gloves and goggles when you're working with the muriatic acid, because the other name for muriatic acid is hydrochloric acid. So I'm going to stop again. This is the muriatic acid with 1/3 water and 2/3 muriatic acid. I want you to see what happens when I put a stone in the muriatic acid. As you can see, it's starting to bubble up immediately. I've got two pieces in right now. One of the matrix pieces has a double Herkimer diamond that is fused together on the side, and this other one has a large Herkimer. Now this will need to be in the muriatic acid at least 2 or 3 days before you get any clear result of what's going to being able to extract the Herkimers from it. Right next to it, I have probably a half a gallon of water with a full cup of baking soda. And what happens when you finish soaking the stones in the muriatic acid, you're going to need to put the stones in there, and then it'll counteract the acid, and they'll be ready to work with at that point. And then after I let them soak in the baking soda water, then I put them in regular water and let them soak probably a half a day before I start actually working on them, so any kind of acid residue is completely gone by the time it soaks in the baking soda water. This larger Herkimer with some golden tendencies in it came out in 2 taps. I didn't have to barely touch the matrix on the side to get the Herkimer to come out. And then I'll work on the other elongated Herkimer now to see if I can get it out fairly easy as well. The second elongated Herkimer came out fairly easy with maybe 5 or 6 taps, gentle taps, because you don't want to damage. And this particular Herkimer is a water clear. It's beautiful.